When you're working as a broker, so your main job is to find a suitable vessel for your charterer and a suitable cargo for your vessel owner. Okay. And when you are doing this, you need to know about the market as well. What the market is doing at that moment. Okay.
Hello everyone, we are back with our weekly insights. Like we promised, today we have a video by Ms. Neha Kanodia, our placement head at IMBA, and we have student Sanjita Gupta. So today we are going to tell you about the roles and responsibilities of a shipbroker. We hope you guys like this video and stay tuned.
And what is the roles and responsibility of the shipbroker?
See, Sanjita, as you join newly this course, so let me explain you about the shipbroker's roles and responsibility in commercial shipping industry. So this is the most important part of this industry. As a shipbroker, you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders, I can say. Because first I'll talk about who is shipbroker. Shipbroker is a negotiator, intermediator between two parties, and both parties would be ship owner and the charterer.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, I just wanted to know, as I have just started the course and I'm studying about it, so I just wanted to know that what exactly I am going to study and what is the job responsibilities.
See, as a broker, if I talk about, I have also done the shipbrokering. I have also worked as a shipbroker. So if I talk about myself, I used to start my day with the market report. This is the main important part of my job roles. I should know the market. From like I say, which region I'm going to cover, today what market is doing. Once you have a good hold on market knowledge, so it all aspects are connected with each other. When I'm talking about with the knowledge of market, you have to do the voyage estimation, voyage calculation you need to do. You need to do daytime calculation as well. So as a broker, आपको ये सब पता होना चाहिए, तभी you can play a role of good shipbroker.
Good shipbroker.
Okay, so that will improve your relationship with your clients as
well. अगर मैं ये कंप्लीट कर लेती हूँ कोर्स अपना, तो मतलब मैं अपने आप को कहाँ देख सकती हूँ, मतलब कहाँ मैं वर्क करूँगी बेसिकली.
ओके संजीता, मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करना चाहूँगी. जब वंस यू कंप्लीट दिस कोर्स, तो बहुत सी ऐसी शिपब्रोकिंग कंपनीज है, चार्टरिंग हाउसेज हैं जिन्हें नॉलेजेबल स्टूडेंट्स की ज़रूरत है. हम लोगों के सर्वे जो हमने इंडस्ट्री में किया है, दे आर लुकिंग फॉर कॉन्फिडेंट एंड नॉलेजेबल स्टूडेंट्स और जिनको ऑलरेडी इस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में पता हो. तो शिपब्रोकिंग हाउसेज हैं जिनमें हमारे पास प्लेसमेंट्स हुई हैं बच्चों की, जस्ट लाइक आर्यभट्ट एंड रेवेनबरी, क्रॉसबर्ग. So they are the companies, ऐसी बहुत से शिपब्रोकिंग कंपनी, डेल्टा कॉर्प, दे आर बिग ऑपरेटर्स इन इंडस्ट्री. तो आप इनके साथ में काम करते हो. इनके जैसी बहुत सी ऐसी कंपनीज हैं उनके साथ आप. So as a broker, these are the basic things which you need to keep in your mind always. I will say, once you start working in this industry as a shipbroker, so you will learn lot of things. This is not the ending, I will say.
Okay.
So it is like every day you learn new things in this industry. So this is my experience which I've shared with you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, so everyone, I believe that the roles and responsibilities of a shipbroker might be clear to you all by now. Further, we are coming up every week with new insights about the commercial shipping operations. So stay tuned with us for more such videos, and we'll be back soon.